Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to join Studs Discord server on mobile or PC. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the best way to do this is open up a web browser and go to Google and just type in Studs Discord server and then click on the first result here. So it's going to be discord.com invite goobers. Click onto that. Now this is going to redirect you to another web page where it says Discord app launch. We've beamed the info into your Discord app. You can close this browser tab or continue with the web version. So go ahead and click on continue to Discord. So I'm going to open up my Discord. Here it is here. Then from here, simply go ahead and click on join Studs Discord. And then once you've done that, a little pop-up message is going to say welcome to Studs Discord. Read the rules so you don't get banned, hammered, etc, etc. So you can have a read here, and then from here we need to complete a few more steps before you can start talking in this server. So in order to talk, we've got to complete this. So go ahead and click on complete, and then before you can talk, you've got to agree to these rules and click on I have read and agreed to these rules, and click submit. And once you've done that, you'll be taken here for verification. It says click the emoji below to gain access to the entire server. So go ahead and click onto that. Once you've done that, you can see you're inside the server now.